What can make a civilization alive if it's not the people, the tradition, the beauty of its nature? So in this video, I'm going to show you the beauty of my village, the people, also the tradition of us.
Today is a very special day. Why? My family will have an event in this little village. And what's so special? Nothing is more special than the people who live in this village society. Because of them, these events have no cost at all. The people who live in the society tend to help each other while there is an event happened, and you wonder, where did I get all of these food boxes? Maybe you're right. All of people in the society are donating a food. Some of the women here are organizing it. While the men actually take care of something way more important, is the main attraction of the events, is the stage. But let's forget about this event and enjoy the nature over here.
And what is the most attractive things in a country? It's the beauty. Hello guys, right now I am in the middle of the rice fields. Every village in Indonesia have its own rice fields like this.
Planting is the profession of the majority of the villagers, and rice is one of the main staple foods here. This stretch over green fields has lived for years, but why? Because of the river that always irrigates the fields. So let's go down to the river now.
In this river is not dangerous at all. Yet it is so fun to play water here. Look at this, guys. I'm going to wash my face. The water are so clear that we can actually wash our face in this river. Oh, this is so refreshing, guys. You should try to get here.
Assalamualaikum. Halo Gusto, Gus Shamdit, Mary, Channel, me.
And these kids are actually bring me to some place I never expected before.
These are a traditional sanctuary for a duck that not every family, some of the families have it in their houses. Itu apa?
Bebek.
Bahasa Inggrisnya?
Duck. Oh, Mary, duck.
After we enjoy its natural beauty, let's go back to the main event. When the sun begins to set precisely after the sunset prayer or the Maghrib prayer, all of the people will gather again and prepare for this event. And why this lady smiling? Because she got the food. Light up the fireworks signifies the end of the event. And people are rushed to leave the place immediately to eat the food they got. And even like this is one of the important tradition in this village, where with this event, people can gather and stay in touch and share kindness.